Amanye alamalungu angamakhansela eDA kumawadi endawo. Lamakhansela akhala ngokushaywa indiva kwakhononda ngakho khona kukho inkohlakalo nokuqashana ngokwazana kanye nokuxoshwa kwabahola abanohlonze kumasipala wase Madibenge.
When you look at the party is on the membership extremely black, and the leadership of the party is white. A typical example is in the Northwest. Leon Basson leads the Northwest, but when you look at the membership of the Democratic Alliance, it's mainly African. I've also cited issues of Congress composition. I've also cited issues of the constitution of the party as a reason why majority of the people are not able, as mainly black Africans, are not able to lead the Democratic Alliance.
Edluphe umfaniswano weDA okugcina lamalungu aqembukele kuANC.
What I've seen and what I've experienced in the DA is that they don't practice what they preach. Their policy, their principle are better preached to the people, but in practical, nothing sort of then is being brought back. So it's useless to stay in the party. We still destroy everything. They don't practice what they preach. That's the only one reason I left that side, because they don't practice. They just use the vote of the majority of blacks.
iDA esifundazweni ithi ayikaze ithole ikhalo kulamalungu.
We are a federal party, and the party believe and make sure that whatever needs to be handled comes from a local level, federal, provincial level, and then federal level. If they write straight to federal, federal will then refer the issues to province, and province will deal with that. And if those things have come to the desk of the provincial chairperson or the leader to attend to it, that will then happen. For me, as a new elected provincial chairperson since November last year, those type of grievances has never reached my desk.
Lesi sinyathelo singalimaza kakhulu iqembu iDA eMadibenge okhethweni oluzayo.
I think the DA is going to perform probably a less better than in the past, but generally speaking, more or less on the same level. I'm thinking about a percentage between 15 and let's say 18-19%.
iANC yona ithi yendele sokeni.
We are very happy that we will be able to retain the authority of the party across the province, because they are coming, in fact, has weakened that opposition called the DA, which was not doing anything for our people except just to talk and talk without providing any solution to the problems that our people are confronted with.
Njengawo wonke amaqembu iDA iyakhankasa kulesifundazwe.